Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Jenny. So let's get right into it. You want to start a YouTube channel, right? Congratulations. Go ahead and start your YouTube channel. Go ahead and do it. And we're going to talk about whether or not it's worth it, right? Because at the end of the day, everyone is on YouTube. Everyone is out there watching something. So why not you have the thing that people are looking for to watch? So let's talk about YouTube. So from the previous video, I told you that I actually started my channel last year, May 8th, right during the eclipse, right? So I ended up starting my channel from scratch. I started a brand new channel because I had a channel before, but it wasn't doing very good. I had it since 2014, but it wasn't doing really good, so I decided to just start a new channel. So as soon as I started, I hit the ground running. I started basically doing my research, everything I need to know in the behind the scenes for YouTube Studios in order for me to push my channel. And one of the things that I learned is consistency. So if you want to build your YouTube channel, you want to be consistent, as though, like, basically you choose the amount of days that you want to post in the week and keep those days. Don't change them. So if, for example, if you want to post every 3 times a week, you pick 3 times a week and you pick 3 days out of the week and you post on those exact days every single week, right? And then you're going to go as far as posting during the time that your audience are watching. So we're not going to jump into the audience and how to find out when your people are watching your videos so you can post exactly at those times, because then that's when YouTube is pushing your videos. But we will get into that eventually, maybe in the next video. So this one is just to cover you starting your YouTube channel. So what you're gonna do, you start your YouTube channel, upload the pictures, upload the banner, put the information that you need on there, like the descriptions, the hashtags to match. If you have to get ChatGPT to help you, it's even better if you get like ChatGPT, because it will give you all of the hashtags and the good descriptions for your YouTube channel. So you just tell it, hey, my YouTube channel is about this and it's about that. I upload on this time and that time, and create for me a description and 20 hashtags that will, you know, penetrate the algorithm for YouTube. So you're going to say like this for ChatGPT to give you a list of things, and it will do it. So now that you're done with that part of your channel, you're going to go ahead and try to upload at least 3 videos on your channel, so whenever people subscribe, they have something to watch, because you don't want to have new audience and they have nothing to watch. So if you can upload the first 3 videos in one day, it's even better, because then they can binge watch, which then let YouTube know people are interested in your channel. Okay, so you're gonna do that. You're gonna post at least 3 videos, or post your first one. You don't want to start the channel and not have anything on the channel. You want to have something, but if you can have 3 of something, it will be even better. And that's something that I learned actually from a YouTube employee who's working with YouTube, so they know the whole backstory of YouTube, right? So now, speaking of backstories, you're going to get the YouTube Studios app. You need the YouTube Studios app, because that's how you're going to manage everything and see what's happening behind the scene of your YouTube channel. And if you don't know, I actually monetized my YouTube channel under a month, literally, I think maybe like 2 weeks. And that was after me struggling for years and years and years with my old YouTube channel that never took off. Then when I finally started my other one, All Things Jenny, you can go and find it on YouTube now. It basically took off, because I learned everything that I needed to do in order for me to push my channel. Because right now I feel like a lot of people are saying YouTube is on easy mode, and I think it is, especially for new YouTubers. It's perfect. And if you have a channel that is struggling right now, my advice to you is delete the channel completely. Just delete it, get rid of it, and just start over. Or don't even delete it, leave it, because you're going to need it later. I'm going to teach you what you need to do, or how you can basically use the old audience that you had before and transfer them to your new YouTube channel. So you go ahead and start a new YouTube channel, leave the old one. Maybe you can still continue to work on it and see, maybe you can revamp it, I don't know, but definitely start a new channel, because YouTube is going to recognize this as like a brand new channel, is going to start pushing it while it's on easy mode, right? So that part. So now that you're done, schedule a time that you're going to post, and even if you can have like a whiteboard to write your ideas, what you're going to do, what you're going to make videos about for the week, it would be even better, because then you basically, as long as you write it down, it's almost like you basically, how do you call this, you make a commitment. So that's what it is. And I have like one of those board where I write my information down, because now I feel like I have to complete it for the week, because that's what I have for the week. And I will show you step by step on everything that you need to fix in the YouTube studios. Just stay tuned and keep watching this channel, because I will teach you any and everything that I knew, that I learned on how to grow my channel so fast. I literally just celebrated the 50,000 subscribers milestone, and it hit maybe like 2 weeks after me reaching 1 year, for the anniversary of the channel reaching 1 year. So anyway, so what you're going to do is, once you start posting and people start to comment on your videos, you want to comment back. You want to be consistent. You want to allow them to know that, hey, I'm a real person, you know, I am here. You become friends with these people, and these people will eventually support you because they feel like you are a friend of theirs. And that's one of the things that I notice. Even the people in my comment sections in my YouTube video, my other YouTube channel, will always tell me all the time, they love my channel, they love my content, they love the way that I communicate with them, like I talk to them, and they feel like, you know, I'm like this friend, you know, this girlfriend that they can just say, hey girl, da 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 da, and it feels like that whenever I'm replying to comments. It feels just like that. Like I feel like I'm connected to my subscribers, and it's nicer like that, and it's going to help your channel grow as well, because excuse me. Because when people are interacting and you're also messaging back, it's telling YouTube that people are interested in this video. People like this video because, one, people are commenting, right? Which means it's a good thing. And also you're interacting back with these people, which also allow YouTube to say, hey, you know what? There's people active on this channel. So you want to be able to do that. And another thing you do not want to do also is telling any and everyone to follow you. Because if those people are not interested in what it is that you're showing, what it is that you're creating videos about, and they're just basically ghost subscribers, YouTube is going to feel like, okay, they're going to push your channel towards the bottom of YouTube's algorithm. And that's, in my opinion, that's how I learned it. So if, for example, you just have any and everybody follow you because you have a YouTube channel and you're so excited and you just want people to follow you, like your family and everything, if they can go on there and just click on the video every time you post a video, they can just click on it and just watch it for 30 seconds, it would be good. But if they're just going to be just phantom ghost subscribers, then there's no point of having them there, because it's only hurting your channel than helping your channel. So this is everything that I have to talk to you guys about today, about your channel. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you should definitely go ahead and do it. And another thing I learned about YouTube, which I'm probably going to mention, actually I'll just say it, is that YouTube, basically imagine it like a business, right? People, well, anyways, let me just say it like this. People are looking for something to do and watch. So why not it be you that they're watching, right? People are looking to learn. People are looking to get some information out of whatever it is that you're providing. So you have to provide goods in order for people to stay consistent. You have to provide something. So you provide a service and people come to get that service that you're providing. So you have to figure out what it is that you want to do, what it is that you want to talk about, what it is that you want to provide, so the people they're like the consumers, right? Basically. So you want to be able to have something in order to grab their attention. You want to be able to have something that you're teaching them so they can learn, basically, right? So this is all I have for today. Come back for the next video. And I do post 3 times a week, and sometimes I might even post more, but I will do 3 times a week for now. Actually, my other YouTube channel, I post every single day, so I'm always busy. I'm always recording. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if it's helping you. If you're learning anything at all, let me know in the comment section, and you know I will be there commenting and answering all your questions. And let me know what you want me to cover next, because I will make a video about it. All right, love you guys. Mwah.